My dear friends, today what we are going to learn is one very important thing that everything comes from it in the essay. Let me ask you first, how many ideas it should have in an essay? Some say 1, others say 3 or 5, according to what you like, or each different individual. I want you to keep this in mind as course goes and find out the answer for yourself. And now we'll start with simple definition for this very king of the essay and analyze those common mistakes for misusing it. However, I too will show you by solving this issue, you will save lots of problems and your essay will have no complication or few mistakes. Here are essays for us to check about how this great king is working or not working correctly and the result of both situations. Thank you.